Welcome to the SpiroConnect guide on reviewing the results. After completing your spirometry tests, you will close the SpiroConnect software. You will then be presented with the integration software and its results screen. This video will go over those results and the PDF report that is generated too. This is the results screen that appears. Let's work through the information here. At the top we have the patient information. If the height and weight were updated at the start, these boxes will be ticked. Anything with a tick will be filed back. You can select and deselect these as required. The box in the middle of the screen has a scroll bar at the side so you can see all the results. Some items show QOF. This helps identify the clinical codes that work this way. Scrolling further down the page, we also have options for COPD and asthma, which can be selected and deselected as needed. As well as the tick boxes, you can add a percentage into the oxygen saturation box. The MRC breathlessness scale is also a drop-down box. Below the codes we have the PDF report. This has the option to view the report and an option to file this too. Finally, on this screen we have a comments box to add any additional information that you would like to be filed into the clinical system. Clicking File will save the PDF and results into your patient's clinical record. You will get a confirmation this has completed successfully. Let's take a look over the PDF report that will be filed. At the top of the report you will have patient information. Below this is the details about your predicted value setting, so you can see what the patient was being measured against. Then we have information about the criteria and variability of your test. These are color-coded. Green shows criteria which have been met, red would show for any issues. Remember that this information is for the clinical criteria and is guidance on your test. Some patients may not be able to attain the requirements needed. As the clinician in the room, you will have the knowledge to decide if the patient has done the best they can or not. The results below this are mostly self-explanatory. They will match what was being seen in the SpiroConnect software after the blows were completed. It will show the relaxed tests first, then the forced tests. Below the individual test section is the best results table. This shows the best results from across all tests. This can be a good table for seeing a summary of the results and changes from the initial tests and the reversibility if it has been carried out. Values highlighted in blue in this section are below the LLN or lower limit of normality based on the patient demographics. This section also shows us our lung age at the bottom of the table. On the second page we have a number of graphical representations of the results. Again, they are labeled and self-explanatory. Finally, at the bottom of page 3 we will have any notes added during the test. The software automatically adds notes on the last calibration verification check. This completes the training videos for how to carry out a SpiroConnect spirometry examination. We hope you have found these guides useful.